Pod 01. Dive into the regeneration of the future. This is IoT data acquisition. What is that? Mock-up of the piano LED. Very nice, very nice. So this world's only baby bottle.
Yeah, camera on your head.
Okay.
It's going to take
Okay. That's impressive.
We couldn't leave you without a very special and relevant to Eureka Park Startups Review piece of content. So we believe you will love it. It's brief but very, I would say, curated overview of CES 2026 Innovation Awards winners, because we believe all big, great ideas, they start with a small team, small company of people with big, big dreams. So stay with us, watch it, and we really, truly believe you will love it. Hey, let's go.
Look at this gorgeous area with the Winhoto X sphere, and this is Venetian Expo. So we're going there to finish our overview of CES 2026 exhibition. So see you guys soon. Okay, so we got to Eureka Park, and this is all about startups, innovations, and different stuff. So we are not going to stay for one time here, and I think we'll do some additional overview of the startups in CES 2026 later. So yeah, I'm just going straightforward and doing the overview of different stuff. And this is Pod 01. Dive into the regeneration of the future. Okay, so this is stuff where you go, rest, as you see on the pictures, and restore your mental health and longevity. Okay. What we have here, Team Redstein. Nice. This is very cool, interesting view. Okay, let's go, move forward, and let's see the map. So we are here. Italian train, customer service, okay, food and beverages, small booth, okay, let's go. So these startups from Korea is TTA and Taiwan, Tech Arena. So folks from Taiwan shows different stuff. And you see, technically it goes like many smaller booths all the way. For instance, a sender delivery robot. Okay, and some videos how it works. Dr. Press. Okay, that's how it looks like. We'll get back to you. Now we got back to Hong Kong startups, and very, I would say, simple, but I like how they decorate it with these orange LED lamps. This is IoT data acquisition. What is that? Chain and system. Okay. Raw material processing. Nice. So it's actually production of some cold beverage. Okay. Turkey. Okay. So startups from Turkey. Okay. Interesting. And we go into some. So this is startup area, and this is some areas by categories. Okay, we'll check. Mock-up of the Earth with all the weather you see conditions. Reminds me about Eureka, always about Eureka. And this is Korea Institute of Science and Technology. Great guys, I know them. Okay, we are back to overview of countries represented here. So we now go to from the other side. This is our friends from Japan. Israel we've got there, OG Wagzer, so Japan, more Japan stuff, Italian, Netherlands, okay, cool. Welcome to Netherlands. So, more Japan stuff, French component as I mentioned. So, we have here Switzerland, European Union, Poland, as I promised. I see France in the distance. Piano LED, very nice demo stand.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Do you want to know a little bit more about this?
Yes, sure.
So, basically, what we are doing here, this is our device.
Okay.
This is the LED,
Uh-huh.
and you connect it to an LED strip also.
Okay.
And you stick the LED strip directly on any digital keyboard.
Okay.
This way, your keyboard turns smart. You're able to play songs.
Oh,
by the light.
let me guess. When the song is playing by different LEDs, colors, you know what to press. Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
I just follow the lights.
And the color, does it mean anything specific?
Left hand for the blue. Right
Okay.
hand for the green.
Got it. Nice.
And so on. And you have a very large library because you can play only like this.
Yeah.
From Tchaikovsky. You have 700 songs that you can play, and you can add a lot of other songs very easily because the MIDI files are easy to find.
Smart and simple. I mean, like in terms of installation, all this stuff.
Very simple, easy to install. 5 minutes after you receive it, you are able to play directly.
Thank you so much. Good luck. Good luck. Boom. 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 Something. Oh, it's a different visual version of skateboarding with stuff. So these air quality sensors, customizable. Cool. LED display powered headbands, headphones. I start to miss the word. Noted. Safe alternative smartphones and tablet. Want some baby bottle? This is beauty stuff. Various devices for pets, birds. And now we go to Enterprise AI section. Wearable devices like jewelry, and you see you have this necklace and it tracks different sensoric related data to identify how you're doing. Okay. So robotic hands and some smart pill case for daily medication. This is cool. The tablet. Oh, something very interesting. So from T-Rex. Hello.
This is our companion robot for humans.
Uh-huh.
And this is AI camera for pets.
Okay.
It can take photos, take videos for
Uh-huh.
pets, and you can get a shorter video generated and edited by AI so that you can share it to social media very easily.
So primarily it's AI powered camera.
Yes.
Okay.
And this one, it can AI chat with you, and it can recognize your body, so it can follow movement in your house.
Nice, nice. Very cool. I mean, like, looks very nice. Thank you. Oh, metals 3D printing. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. I said I didn't see 3D printing too much, and now it's metals 3D printing. Okay, and you see, this is printed in metal. These devices. Very cool. Very cool.
Hello.
Hello. Doing good?
The only WPT solution at CES
Uh-huh.
that can do over 2000 watts of power.
Okay.
Are you familiar with wireless charging in
Yes.
smartphones?
Yeah.
So imagine a 100 times more powerful system.
It would be nice.
You can power all your small kitchen devices like blenders, toasters, air fryers.
Oh.
So
But it's also wireless, right?
and it's wireless.
Okay.
So you never have to worry about cords, clutter, power outlets, things like that.
Nice.
Here we have our silent blender.
Uh-huh.
So you turn it on, no noise,
Wow.
and it's cordless. So
That's impressive.
that's the extreme innovation we do in the home kitchen space. We're called Kitchenery. We're launching our Perfect for Keto, our silent blender, and the quantum energy pad.
What about the temperature? I mean, like usually wireless chargers, they get hot. And this is several, you say like 100, 2,000 times, 2,000 or stronger. So what about that? So how do you solve?
We do, active frequency modulation.
Ah, okay.
The pad only sends the exact amount of power
What needed
by
to
a
do it?
receiver. So there's no heat.
Nice. Yeah, I mean, just slightly warm. Yeah. It's definitely not hot. Yes.
And then you can put a phone on it, and you can,
Okay.
charging as well.
That's impressive. Wow, really? So, do you have any ETA in mind when it will be available?
So we're going to start shipping this in Q4 of this year.
Q4, okay.
So August.
Got
And
it.
then we're launching our Kickstarter campaign in March of
Okay, it will be Kitchenery, right?
yeah,
Okay,
US. You can check us out.
thank you. Thank you so much and good luck. It's really impressive.
All right.
Thank you. Yeah, that was impressive. I say, like wirelessly stored immediately. Very great experience. I mean, like I love this part of the Venetian Expo. And now we go up. But I need water somewhere, please. See you.
Every year, the CES Innovation Awards honor cutting-edge products across a bunch of categories, and 2026 was no exception. So let's now review several examples of the winners and categories they win. So smart health monitoring toilet. You heard it right. It's a high-tech toilet by Vovo, was a 2026 Innovation Award honoree in health tech. This smart toilet can analyze your urine or health metrics automatically and even alert caregivers if, let's say, an elderly user hasn't been active for a while. It's like having a mini health lab in your bathroom. Another winner, another category, it's about Corning Surface IQ Magic Display. So you may ask, what's so special about this Surface IQ display coating? What's so special? So it's a nano coating which not only fights with glare reduction or fingerprint repel, it's a high-tech screen wrapper which combines and let's say unites multiple screens. So another example is age tech and accessibility innovations on CES 2026, and for instance, like one very recognized solution is voice companion, which is called Luna. So this project won Eureka Park accessibility contest, so that voice assistant was specially designed for people with accessibility issues. And Luna listens and responds with medication reminders, brain games, and even casual conversation to keep elders engaged. We hope you loved it, because we believe, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, that these ideas from many people, startups, innovators, and people who live and breathe with the air full of ideas, creativity and imagination, they are a great boost to your creativity. So problems you face sometimes and solutions you need to identify to solve these problems, it's all connected dots of one puzzle. And we truly believe that you liked it because it gave you some insights, some ideas for your future projects and for your own future ideas. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with us. Like us, subscribe, hit the bell, and please remember, we doing it for you, our beloved audience and subscribers. Thank you so much. See you and bye.